Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Etrade, a powerful tool for automating your online trading activities. To get started, you will need to open an Etrade account and ensure you have a solid understanding of the platform and its features. First, log into your Etrade account and navigate to the Options Trading section. Here, you will find the Etrade feature, which allows you to set up automatic investments into a specific stock or portfolio. Next, select the stock or portfolio you wish to invest in and choose the Etrade option. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to invest and the frequency of your investments. It is essential to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance before setting up your Etrade plan. Consider factors such as your financial situation, investment horizon, and personal preferences when deciding on the amount and frequency of your investments. Once you have entered the required information, review your Etrade plan to ensure it aligns with your investment objectives. You can adjust the amount and frequency of your investments at any time, so it is crucial to monitor your portfolio regularly and make adjustments as needed. Best practices for setting up Etrade include starting with a small investment amount and gradually increasing it over time, diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk, and taking advantage of dollar cost averaging to reduce the impact of market volatility. By following these steps and considering your investment goals and risk tolerance, you can create a Etrade plan that helps you achieve your financial objectives and build long-term wealth. Remember to stay informed, monitor your portfolio, and make adjustments as needed to ensure the success of your Etrade plan.